In this tutorial, we will look at some of the more advanced features that you can use when searching with Explora. So we'll go ahead and type in a search term. I'll type in global warming, and again you can see, just in case you don't spell it all right, it intuitively will find search terms for you. So you can see we have a lot of results, 88,139 results. Well, that's great, but I'm not going to read that many results. So you can either just scroll through the top 10, or if you wanted to limit it even more, you can go under Refine Results. And over here we can limit it. If you click on the Show More button, it has these different options for limiting. So let's limit it by date. Let's say we only want things from December of 2015, from the past 2 years, to December of 2017. And let's say that we want it just for our grade level. We're in 7th grade, so let's just pick this one, and it'll just bring up results that apply to your reading level. Up here, you can change it. This Boolean phrase is searching for global warming. It's searching for your phrase that you entered. If you want it to find any of your search terms, that will expand the search and find more results. So it will find global and warming. So we probably don't want to click on that one, but you can experiment with these and see how it affects the results you get. So we're going to go ahead and click search, and let's see what that does to our results. Okay, so now we only have 104 results, and that is still a lot, but certainly much more manageable than 88,000. So, and it might bring up things that are more relevant and easier for us to look at. So you can see I've already clicked on a few of these. They're yellow because they're in my results folder. I'll go ahead and unclick them. That removes them from the results folder. But if I click on them, it will add them to my folder, so then I can read them later or discard them later depending on what I want to do. So in order to look at these, you can either click the title here, you can click HTML full text or PDF full text. So clicking PDF full text will bring up the PDF format of the article. And this is a great format if you want to print it off and read it later. It's got the pictures, it's got menus, it looks pretty sharp, and it's a good printable format. But say you don't want to read all of that and you would rather have it read to you. It has a neat feature. If you click on HTML full text, you can click play and you can listen to it. It will read all of this text to you. So you can be washing the dishes or doing your chores while you listen to your homework. So it's not perfect, like it reads everything on the page. For example, let's just pick British accent just for fun and push play. And you can see my computer's being slow, so maybe it's not going to work. But it will start over here on this side and it will read this menu, and then it will start to read all of the article. So just keep that in mind, but it's a good option if you need it. Another great thing about Explora is that you can cite, which means you can get the bibliography information for this article without having to search for it. It's all right here, but you can also click Cite, and it will put it in the proper format. So these are different formats that you can pick. We usually at our school pick the MLA format, so that's the one you'll want to use. And you can see it has all that information, so you can just copy and paste it into your bibliography. You can even export it to bibliography software like EasyBib or ProCite. I know you guys are familiar with those two. So So those are a couple of neat features that Explora will provide you, allow you to do. So let's get back to the main page and start all over. You just click on the logo and you can see it takes you back to the main page. I just wanted to show you one other neat feature in order to help you get started with your research in case you're not quite sure what you want to learn about or do a report on. You know, let's say we wanted to find more about history. Let's click on more and look at all these different topics it brings up. So you can kind of scroll through these and either find a topic that your teacher has assigned to you, or you can pick something that looks interesting. Let's click on the Elizabethan era and just see what comes up. You can see there's a whole bunch of different articles and videos and even excerpts from books about the Elizabethan era and even pictures. If you click on this topic overview, it's kind of like a Wikipedia article, and it will kind of bring up something that looks like a Wikipedia entry. So it's a good idea. It's a good way to get a quick overview about a topic. So I hope that helps you get started and get to using Explora. It's a great and valuable resource. I think it's better than using Google or even Wikipedia because it's a scholarly database. That means it's using articles and encyclopedia entries that have been peer-reviewed and approved for scholarly use. So you can trust it. It's a reliable resource. So I hope you all use it and enjoy it. Thanks.